What up, people? So today what I'm practicing is power looping or flipping or whatever you want to call it. Sending yourself back to a gap or a spot that is behind you so that you can go under it, go between it, etc. So map out the area pretty well and then figure out your spacing and power loop yourself back to it. So I'll show you what that looks like in a second, but I think this one is one where you have to be kind of familiar with the area. You know, you can't really go to a new spot and try this, but after you fly a couple packs, then you can give it a shot. But here we go. Let's see what we got.
And I like it.
I think it's a woodpecker. It's kind of cold for a woodpecker. But I guess woodpeckers have to peck wood.
But this feeling is love, and I know that's why I feel good.